Hey guys, I'm sorry I turned off Job's phone. This is part 2. If you don't watch part 1, it's over there. And Job is goofing around. So let's start. Ow. Ew. Daddy. Okay, that's good. Come on. No, dapat napapakita tayo. Just, okay, come on. I know it's not much, so let's watch. Hello. Okay, we're watching. Ay, ayun! Scary video! Scary video! Hindi ako matakot! We're watching a scary video. Which of these multivitamins Granny would you put in their body? Don't scared, guys. Don't scared. You're watching scary video. Oh.
Back to the world's scariest TikToks, question mark. Today I'm joined by Gabriela. Gabriela, what are you doing?
I figured out why I can't twerk.
Why?
It's because I'm white.
Makes sense. Gabriela, why do you have on a Mexican blanket?
Because we don't have any other blankets in the house, Eddie. Looking like Joseph
You're right.
in his Technicolor dream coat over here. I don't...
These reactions are
Look, I invite you to do funniest
If you
TikToks. I
don't
invite
see
you to
the
do
screen,
the scariest TikToks.
it's not our fault.
Okay.
Are you ready
We
to
just
watch
have
the
a phone.
scariest
Bad
TikToks
quality,
in the
man.
world? Question mark.
No, I'm scared.
Okay, for those of you that don't know,
Scariest
Gabriela
videos.
is extremely scared of this stuff.
Very. Like, I wake up at night and I think that there's a clown standing in the corner and just like... But not just any clown, like a shadow clown, like a shadow demon clown, you know, the kind that can like rip out your soul and then eat it.
Okay, Gabriela, you sound like you have PTSD right now. Look, Gabriela is just easily scared. Okay, here we go. The first one. Has anyone noticed the banging in Eddie's new vid with narrator? What are you talking about? Ever since my tortilla cheese is playing, always smells like tortillas by now. Yeah, it actually does, dude. Not again. It happened again.
Seriously?
Are you serious, dude? What is that?
I don't know, because this time I wasn't outside.
That's coming from inside my room somewhere. There's something banging in my room.
Do you think it's Subisco's? Like,
This is
Wait,
Eddie
no.
VR.
Hold up. This
If
person
you
could
don't
have
know
edited
Eddie
it. Hold on.
VR,
True.
he's a
Go to the
Mexican.
actual video.
He always says bad words like the S word, B word,
Alright, listen.
anything. And Job
It's
always
there.
says
Did you
it
hear
too.
it?
It's there!
I'm
They
joking.
didn't just edit it in. Always smells like tortillas by now.
No,
listen. It's
This
there.
is
Did you hear it?
narrator, and that's what we
They
invent.
didn't just edit it in.
Oh no. I didn't close my closet door. It's open, you know, demons are gonna get me.
I didn't close mine either. And I have some pretty scary costumes in that closet. Okay,
Yeah, you do.
okay. And Freddy's in there. You know, he's been grounded for a while. Okay, never mind. All right, next. All right, what is this? Oh shit! It's a tunnel.
I like tunnels.
Why do I get scared by the dumbest things, man?
You do, you really
It's
do.
like it wasn't even scary.
Guys,
It's
who
just
was
something that
scared?
comes out like
Go
the
to
bitch from the
video.
Grudge just comes out of nowhere. Like,
Bruh, I didn't even get scared.
okay, good job. Okay, good for you. You know that? Like, what do you want me to give you? A cookie or something? What do you want, Gabriela?
It'd be nice. It'd be nice. You don't feed me. You don't feed me.
I'll just be
Maybe
back.
you're in charge of the food.
Oh.
I'll be back.
Alright, let's look at this one. Oh, spooky! Evil spirit leaves a body and enters another body.
Nakita ko na yan. Ang spirit.
My man just passed gas and the other guy smelled it. That's all that happened here. You can see the fart coming out of his ass and entering the other man's nose.
It's like,
Is that what it feels like to smell like March Gabriela?
I get some water.
Yeah,
Oh, water, water.
Okay, that's TikTok. Spider-Man carrying Mary Jane
Go,
up the
go,
pyramid
go.
light.
Okay, I love how it says this is footage of an actual demonic possession in
What the?
1896. 1896.
Oh, here we go. Detective Gabriela's on the case.
Dude, they didn't have camcorders back then.
When was video recording invented? 1888.
Okay, but it was not that high quality.
Yeah,
That's
this is like some
fucking-
this is some high quality shit right here though.
Yeah, they just put a black and white filter over it. Like, they just did CGI with black and white filter.
Vertical recording wasn't invented until TikTok, so what the fuck? That's a TikToker in 1896.
You're correct. That's not the right aspect ratio. The aspect ratio was way different back then, Eddie. Look into these things. It's important.
Paranormal ghost stories. Oh shit, here we go.
Ay, di ko yung nakita. Huwag mo na isabi. Ano ba naman kasi?
You can see somebody? Are you sure?
This is why we're not having kids.
By the way, kids can see ghosts. I don't know if that myth is real, but look at this. It's real. Shush. Their babies or kids can see ghosts, but not adults. Not kids, but adults. My sister's playing golf and now because of me. Shut! I'm sorry.
Oh.
Wait.
You scared me, dog. Stop it, Gabriela.
Imagine he just turns around and he's like,
Dude, okay, listen. Kids supposedly see dead shit, and that dogs can also sense other things, animals, and kids can, like, see and detect other spiritual shit.
yeah, dude, because they fresh out the womb. They fresh out the veil, dude. They're just like,
So they're just used to scary stuff.
yeah. Who would have known? Just flaps. We're the veil to the veil between realms.
Alright, I cannot remember if I've seen this one before. It looks familiar, but we're gonna play it. Ready?
Next is Afna.
Come on, Dutch. The last player decides which side is better. If she's wrong, and that player can also decide your punishment. Okay, or that. Get ready to make the most terrible decision. I mean, best decision.
Alright.
Let's see. It's gonna be. Ooh, bacon for pancakes.
We're gonna join pancakes.
Yeah, don't get me. Don't get
Pancakes
it
to go.
together.
Pancakes.
We're so great together.
Bacon and
Okay, let's see.
I gotta go with bacon.
Okay,
Yeah, bacon. You know what? I'll go with bacon.
pancakes.
Put the bacon in some bacon.
Okay, alright.
Bacon.
Now your answers.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bacon has a savory flavor. It's really good. It kind of melts in your mouth, but it's got these things called calories.
Calories?
Pancakes has no calories.
Right, yeah, sure.
My mom says so, so I'm picking pancakes. Yay!
now story TikTok compilation.
Sorry, why did the chicken cross the road? Why?
If no one knows, we'll send
That was so dry. Okay, why did the bear go for a swim? I don't want to know. So you think, oh my God, that was not funny. Nobody asked me your opinion. Oh my God.
Next is Crystal.
Hey, Ruin, because by the end of this video, I can't see what
This
I
is
thought
the
you
road
already
to
done
Sting.
touched
I
it.
hate
Oh,
him.
something new.
Take a look at the bottom of the sun.
Yeah, but I know exactly what it's going to do.
Bro!
Now,
Speak.
oh, what? Wait, we
That
have to
should
test
be
this. I do
easy.
like the idea of figuring out which TikTok myths are true and which ones are fake. Ready? Be like, that's interesting. It works. It's just, oh, my life is always been alive. Wait, there's sidewalks.
Wait,
What?
what? I thought it was real.
No, wait, bricks are real. This is how they do modern bricks? The modern bricks are not real. Are you serious? They're just a pattern. It's like wallpaper. How thick is it then? This thick? Yeah. That's what she said. McDonald's cups are secretly all the same size?
Yeah, don't put ice on it. Just no ice.
With the ice. Wait, that would help even less. You gotta get less ice. Anywhere you go, they always scam you with the ice. That's crazy. Yeah, you just get no ice. A little ice. Because no ice is kind of crazy. Okay. Oh, I've seen this. It's a straw holder. No, you're saying it's a hung one. Yeah, well, this one's kind of messed up from their last one. And in fact, right, I do have something else you can do with the Sprite, though. If you drink half of it, you can bounce out inside. Oh. You get the perfect amount, don't you? Wow, that is not an optical illusion. Like, look at that, crazy. Hey, yo! Anyways, that's cooler than that. Next one. If you get this first one right, you have to subscribe.
Cake or fake? I'm gonna say cake.
It's real.
Oh, wow. Cake. Yes. Oh, that's cake. That's real. It's so cake. Yeah, I hate cake. That's totally cake. No, that's real. That's cake. No.
Yes. No.
Cake.
It's real.
Son of a guy, you can't tell the difference. You cannot tell the difference. And don't tell me otherwise. If I could get married again, I would do that. Is it my wedding cake or is it fake? What do you mean? Is it cake or cake? No, there'd be birds inside.
Hey, you guys are watching Bird Up.
Oh, ice box. What? Wait, have we been using
We
scissors
don't.
this whole
What's that
time?
called?
We might have
We
been
don't
doing
have.
this wrong since we've been kids.
Yeah.
I could save so much time and just stay
It's
in the
not
pool
like
at the
the
same time.
Philippines.
3, 2, 1. No! Okay, dude. Guys, people who lie on TikTok, bad people. Oh, CG. Wow. So, this thing is working hard. They did not have to do that. Wow. Okay, movie CG, unreal. And this is an old Twilight movie. This is old. I know. No, they're not. I tried it and I really hurt my finger. Yeah, they're not squishy. I mean, maybe some of them are, but the majority of them are not. Don't poke in mirrors, okay? Okay, recycling your trash.
Well, I don't think it matters. It's not.
Oh my God.
What?
Hey guys, big corporations.
But in the
really care about the
Philippines,
environment.
there are borders, so you can
So they go in afterwards and they sort it. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, definitely. That's you? For his head? No. Hey, no way. Well, what if he...
How about funny? Next is funny video. Try not to laugh. We have 3 lives. Oh, parang masay. Ito. You're going to get some bubbles. Hey. Waffle block. Oh, 2 lives and 3. Natawa lang ako sa and 2 lives naman. 2 lives, 3 lives. Oh. Palalo, si PDS tumingin na kahit anong hours. Kahit anong gusto. Sige, I'm crazy. Right there. Whoa.
Subscribe and like this video, and nobody gets bitten.
She's mine with hers.
Ohio cigarettes. Bitawa ako 1. 1 life. Sobra na ako.
Ngipin mo, pag nalanggit mo.
Nag-ulit tayo 3.
Sibling,
Hindi, 2. Ay, 2. O sige, 3. O sige. O sige, 3. Olero. Just kidding. Boom! Sugat! Waka! Isa na! Labangga pa sa bato ko. Ako. Palalo ako dito. Palalo ako dito.
Hey, Willie, where's that sitting?
Subscribe and like this video. Nobody gets hurt.
Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, they might take your ass back to the house and you was in the back. Stole. My bad.
Ay, nakakatawa to. Tingnan mo.
Vidare sin quadro al cielo in luglio, ti arroce dietro foto tua.
Ano, tatanggal na yan.
I don't know how to watch my friends at offense to your ski abilities. I think I probably have to walk you back.
Hey, We're gonna make this 10 times funnier. For Jack.
Oh, that was supposed to be chocolate.
I can't see it. I can see it. Ayan. Oh, sinan mo yan. Ayan, yung YouTube channel niya. Super laugh, don't laugh. Super funny videos. Ano pa natin? I don't know. Oh! I don't. Yeah. I can feel you inside of me. Ano? You are then ginawa na rin. Yan mo. Ano natin? I give up. I cannot walk fast. Wait, not talking. Huh? Okay. Thanks for watching.
I spawned in as a baby diamond TV man. I was inside a testing room, surrounded by TV man troops.
The testing, it worked! Our last hope in this horrible war!
Wait, war? Just then, the entire bunker began to shake, causing all of us to walk outside, only to see a horde of skibbity toilets waiting for us.
Oh no, they found us!
I watched as my fellow TV men began to attack the toilets. We were putting up a fight, but we're definitely not strong enough against.
We are in this. Maganda yan. Ay, power sa ano. Ano yung nasilak? Lucky block. Ayaw na. Lucky block na. Di lucky block. Oo nga. Ay, hindi. No, command block. Ayaw power. Ano yung spider ginano? Siyempre, nagamit niya yun. Meron niya. Ano pa kaya power? Ay, si Aaron niya. Zane. Ay, si Zane.
Come on, go out and throw at Bruno. You're not ready to play with me if you're
Di
not
ba
ready.
ako kayo?
I don't think you're that good at it now.
What did you say? You know what? Challenge is accepted. So let's play. Here are your cards.
Oh man, I'm paying for pretty bad cards.
What you never know is that I can't bring back cards on purpose and he will never realize it.
Okay, I'm gonna put her down.
What? How did you? I mean, good move.
How did he get a +4? That wasn't even supposed to happen.
Okay, my turn. I'll put the 8 down.
Oh, nice. Let me put this +4, and this +4, and also this +4, and this.
You're cheating. I know it. I just know it.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
What is a flying about? Hold on. You're out.
I want to search something. Ay, Cash! Si Cash. Ayun. Screenshot mo. Yung picture niya. Okay, mamaya. Ako, si screenshot ko. Ano eh, dinanood ko yung Nico sa App Store. Yung Play Store. Ano? Dinanood ko. I-search mo sa Play Store o App Store. Ano? Nico. Pwede din Cash. Kung wala, ayaw. Okay. Sa YouTube wala. Ganun. screenshot ko kasi yung dinanid ko dito eh. Ito screenshot ko. Yung mukha niya. Nasaan na ba yung mga bibig? Hindi ka nahanap mo sa
From basketball magic at age 50 plus, kaya we take Centrum Silver Bags to help protect our memory, heart, immunity, and more. But Centrum Silver Bags. Anyway, go ahead and open up Paint.net. We're going to get started on our little artist drawing lesson today.
Look at this video I'm watching. This guy is so good at making.
How are you doing that?
What are y'all watching over here? Are you ready?
Nothing.
Go ahead, find out for me.
Oh, gee, sorry.
And you two go to the hallway.
Oh, gee, sorry, Nico.
I wasn't even involved.
Well, Nico, you kind of were watching us too.
Yeah, but it's very funny with your game.
I need to have a discussion with you both.
Yes, sir.
Gosh, you're failing my class, and Nico, you're almost there.
Oh gosh.
How am I failing? I do all my assignments on time.
You have a 62 in here, and Nico has a 73.
What?
Yeah.
Computer, you should be my best class.
And you're over here watching hardcore PvP videos in the middle of my instructions.
Sorry, I was just bored. I was gonna turn it off, I promise.
Listen, I don't want to hear about you turning it off. Why would you leave it on in the first place?
Because I saw that we were using the post, and I just wanted to watch it.
You know what? I'm assigning you a tutor. You need to learn your lesson.
Tutor? What? I don't even need a tutor. I can pass the class by myself.
Yeah, look, I believe that. Nico, go ahead and head back into the class and turn off that screen.
Please don't make me get a tutor.
No, you're fine. When you start failing, I won't give you that.
I'll go in back in the class and I'll turn off the computer, okay?
No. You're going to have a tutor.
Right now? Get it on me until class is over.
Okay, well, you gotta go right to the library after class is over.
Fine. Because this class is so slow.
Yeah, just because you
O sige, uwi ka na.
How did the manage to get started?
my computer for
Friend.
Move over to the next one.
The end of the
Because we have a 93 here. You know a classroom, right?
Oh, I think that's why I was doing that.
You guys ever like wall? Really?
I'm not very technologically savvy.
Well, you made me technological savvy, but you're lucky. You're not still in school after this. Don't laugh at me.
Mia, you could leave the class early if you like.
Oh my gosh. Of course you get to leave early.
No, you go sit in your seat.
Oh gosh.
You know what, Nico? Just because you think you're funny. Hey, I think my tutor's calling me, so I gotta go meet up with him.
Like, I believe that. Let me go see. Who's calling?
He was calling me from downstairs.
Like, I believe that. Get back into your chair.
Oh, never mind, I tried. This class is super boring.
I know, right?
What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Just push the
Yeah, your crew is definitely going for those after this.
Yay! Ayun o, ginaya ko. Yung ko. Ayun. Yung baby. Hello. Aso.
Boy felt intense pain inside his nose, but you won't believe what the doctors pulled out. The story begins in 2016 when 16-year-old Brandon woke up with extreme pain in his left nostril. He thought he was just having a really bad headache, so he went to school as normal. But just before the end of the day, the pain was so severe that he collapsed to the floor. When his teacher found him, she called an ambulance and he was rushed to the hospital. When he got to the hospital, the doctor examined his nostril and saw something moving around inside. Before I show you, I just found a game where you can grow your own dragon. Just click here in my comments if you want to grow yours too. The doctor discovered that there was a slug inside his nose, so he grabbed some tweezers and yanked it out, and it was still alive. This boy felt intense pain inside his nose, but you won't believe what the doctors pulled out. The story begins in 2016 when Brandon woke up with extreme pain in his left nostril. He thought he was just having a really bad headache, so he went to school as normal. But just before the end of the day, the pain was so severe that he collapsed to the floor. When his teacher found him, she called an ambulance and he was rushed to the hospital. When he got to the hospital, the doctor examined his nostril and saw something moving around inside. Before I show you, I just found a game where you can grow your own.
Oh, I didn't even start it. I forgot my brain at home. I don't even want to be here. Alright, Clark. Papa Choy.
Guess the food. Onion rings. Guess the food.
Hey,
Guys,
Monster.
go guess
Let's guess the
the
food by emoji.
say.
Okay na. Pancakes. Nasabi ko na. 1-0.
Lapitin naman tayo sabay.
Strawberry milk.
O yan, shake. Ay, strawberry milk shake.
Strawberry
I
milkshake.
know.
Hindi mo na sige strawberry milk.
Nakalimutan ko yung yung name ko yung one.
Bubble gum white bear. Bubble gum white bear.
No.
Oh,
Gummy bear. Wala points tayo.
1-0. 1-0.
No, 1-1.
French fries.
French fries.
French fries.
French fries.
2-0.
1.
Sige, 1. Cloud9. Cloud candy. Cloud9. Cloud candy.
Oh, bro.
1-2. Onion rings. 3.
Alam ko na yan. Inisip ko na yan.
1-3.
Naisip ko na yan.
Dapat kailangan mo isabi. Bawal
Kalimutan ko
isipin.
sabihin. Goldfish. Golden fish.
Oh, hoy, dalawa na kasi hindi mo sinabi. Hindi mo sinabi yung rings. Dalawa. Gaya naman ni Jem, guys. Unsubscribe kayo.
Oli.
Dalawa ko na. Mooncake.
Moon pie.
Hoy, 2 na. O sige na. 2.
Sinabi ko sige.
Lemon shake.
4.
Pero I'm in the lead. Popcorn.
Sabay tayo. Kalimutan ko yun.
Hot dog chip.
Hotdog. Ano, bye? Ikaw, bye.
5-5.
Oh! And
Banana hands. 5-5. That's a game. Fortune cookie. Yes! 5. Pumpkin pie. 7. We'll make 6 into 10 wings.
Pumpkin pie.
Cheesecake. Oh, 8 na ako. 5:20. Corn dog. Hey! Sige, alam mo na yan. Kaya 7. Pero hanggang 20, ako 9. Frozen corn. Corn froze. Kasi dapat dito yung frozen.
bro.
7, ako 9. Dark chocolate.
Hindi mo alam yung name.
Dark chocolate yan.
Dark chocolate.
10 hanggang 20 to. 10. Cheeseburger. 11. Oh! Hindi mo alam eh. Sabi din sa...
Sinabi ko dahan-dahan. Ikaw ang binili ko. Ikaw.
Red Bull. Red Bull.
Red Bull.
13.
13 ka ako na. Ay,
Oh, Ah! Bakit? Time. Ah? Tingnan ako. Sige. Bye-bye guys! Subscribe to Nico Vlogs. Jam Jam and subscribe to Cash